Hello everyone, welcome back to Flame Fed Homestead. My name is Brandon. Today we're going to try a new recipe for some chicken wings on the smoker using my favorite buffalo sauce from Owens BBQ. Let's get started. First we're going to start off by opening up the wings and getting them dried off on a paper towel. Normally I would just season these up and put them on the grill just like this. I was scrolling on Instagram and I noticed a video that talked about adding baking powder to help crisp up the skin. So we're going to try and make a little flour, baking powder, and buffalo seasoning dredge to put this to put on the wings. So in a plastic bag, I'm going to take my flour, 3 spoonfuls of flour. We're going to do half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then we'll do 3 tablespoons of the wing sauce, the wing seasoning. Put a little air in the bag and shake it up to mix. Now we're going to add the wings. Seal up the bag, and we're going to shake it up again. Nicely coated all the way around. We're going to let that set for about 20 minutes, and then we'll go put them on the grill. Here we go. Chicken's been dredged up for about 20 minutes. I'm going to hit the grate with a little avocado oil to help it from sticking. The wings are going on. Two clicks for proper grilling technique. Let's see how we're doing. Looks like they're starting to sweat a little bit. I think we're on our way. I'm going to turn the grill up to 250. See if we can get them to sweat a little faster. Let's have a little look-see. Getting there. Now we'll turn it up to 400. Let's have a look-see. Probably only 10 more minutes. One final crack. Okay. After an appropriate cooling period, let's get a bite. Flavor is still there, crunchy texture, that's delicious. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.